In this video, we listed the 5 best 3D printer for cosplay that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Anycubic Resin 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon Mono X2 is a high-quality resin 3D printer designed to deliver exceptional printing results with its 4K plus HD resolution of 4096 by 2560, ensuring vivid reproduction of 3D models. The printer features a 9.1-inch monochrome screen that not only extends the screen's lifespan but also accommodates large-size model printing. It is equipped with an improved Anycubic Light Turbo Matrix light source, which provides uniform light exposure by projecting UV light both parallel and perpendicular to the LCD screen, thereby enhancing the quality of 3D prints. The printer's dual linear rail system, combined with a POM clearance nut and vibration absorption structure, ensures precise Z-axis operation and effectively eliminates layer lines. It offers great slicer compatibility, being fully compatible with Anycubic Photon Workshop, Qi2, and Lychee Slicer, and supports 8x anti-aliasing for a user-friendly printing experience, although it does not support Anycubic Cloud Service. Additionally, the printer features a laser-engraved build plate with a textured checkerboard pattern to increase model adhesion during printing and improve success rates, while an anti-scratch film helps reduce screen damage from resin leakage and lowers the cost of screen replacement. Number 2. Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer. The Anycubic Kobra Max 3D Printer is a versatile and advanced 3D printing solution designed for both daily and household use. It features a large build volume of 17.7 by 15.7 by 15.7 inches, providing ample space for creative projects. The printer is equipped with a self-developed Anycubic LeveIQ leveling function, which offers a 25-point smart calibration for automatic bed leveling, ensuring ease of use and improved printing quality. With a maximum printing speed of 180 mm per second, the printer allows for faster project completion, enhancing the overall 3D printing experience. The robust construction includes a double-thread Z-axis moving system to minimize shaking and maintain precision, while the modular design enables quick assembly in just 10 minutes. The printer also features a filament runout sensor to prevent interruptions in printing progress, along with a 4.3-inch full-color LCD touchscreen for intuitive operation. Anycubic, known for its reliable 3D printers, offers lifetime technical support and 24-hour customer service, ensuring user satisfaction and support. Number 3. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE 3D Printer Finder 3 is a fully assembled FDM 3D printer designed for easy and efficient use. It features a glass heating bed with a removable PEI surface, which enhances the adhesion of prints and ensures easy removal once printing is complete. The magnetic platform allows for straightforward maintenance and adjustments. This printer offers a substantial printing size of 7.5 inches by 7.7 inches by 7.9 inches, providing ample space for creating larger projects. Its user-friendly design and advanced features make it suitable for both beginners and experienced users looking for reliable and high-quality 3D printing capabilities. Number 4. Artillery Sidewinder X2. The Artillery Sidewinder X2 is a high-performance 3D printer designed for precision and efficiency. It features a direct drive extruder with an advanced Titan extruder that addresses common filament clogging and uneven extrusion issues, ensuring high-precision printing at speeds up to 150 mm per second. The printer is equipped with a dual Z-axis synchronization system, which utilizes a dual screw drive to maintain parallel movement of the X-axis for improved print quality. Its automatic leveling system intelligently adjusts the hotbed before printing, which can be heated to 110 degrees Celsius in just 2 minutes, enhancing convenience and efficiency. Additionally, the printer includes a resume printing function that detects filament exhaustion or power failure, allowing it to resume printing from where it left off. The Artillery Sidewinder X2 also boasts ultra-silent printing capabilities, thanks to its 32-bit silent motherboard and exclusive ultra-quiet stepper driver, ensuring minimal noise during operation, even at night. With a sturdy aluminum build and compact dimensions, this 3D printer combines advanced features with user-friendly functionality for an optimal printing experience. Number 5. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE Adventure 5M is a versatile 3D printer designed for hassle-free and efficient printing. It supports a variety of materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PLACF, and PETGCF, with an enclosed enclosure needed for PC and ASA. The printer boasts a one-click automatic printing feature with automatic bed leveling for perfect first layers, eliminating the need for manual adjustments. Its core XY structure allows for ultra-fast printing speeds of up to 600 mm per second and high precision, making it suitable for rapid prototyping and mass production. The Adventure 5M features a smart design with quick nozzle changes, a high-flow nozzle, and a fast warm-up time to 200 degrees Celsius, complemented by a dual-sided PEI platform for easy removal and adaptability. Superior print quality is achieved through dual-fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and a range of nozzle sizes. Remote monitoring and intelligent operation are facilitated by the FlashMaker mobile app. Regular maintenance, such as cleaning the nozzle and platform, is recommended for optimal performance, with troubleshooting guidance available in the A+ FAQ section.